Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, in episode 351, we're breaking down how to send USDT via Binance ID in 2025. If you're into cryptocurrency, you know USDT is a rock-solid stablecoin that's perfect for quick transfers without the volatility of other coins. Using Binance ID makes this process super straightforward, secure, and fast, especially if you're dealing with friends or other users on the platform. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this guide will have you sending USDT in no time. First off, ensure you have a verified Binance account. If you don't, download the app or head to the website and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open your Binance app or website and log in securely. Always use two-factor authentication for extra protection. Step 2. Head over to the Wallet section. This is usually found at the bottom of the app or in the main menu on the desktop site. Step 3. Locate USDT in your wallet. It might be under Spot Wallet or Fiat and Spot. Tap or click on it to access your balance. Step 4. Select the Withdraw or Send option. Look for the specific choice that says Send via Binance ID. This feature lets you transfer directly to another user's ID without dealing with long blockchain addresses. Step 5. Enter the recipient's Binance ID. Double-check this to avoid any errors. It's like sending money to the wrong person. Step 6. Input the amount of USDT you want to send. Keep an eye on any fees. Binance might charge a small network fee, so make sure you have enough. Step 7. Review all the details on the confirmation screen. This includes the recipient, amount, and estimated arrival time. Step 8. Hit Confirm and complete any security verifications, like a code from your Auth app. Once done, your USDT should be on its way. Transactions via Binance ID are often instant or take just a few minutes. And there you have it. You've successfully sent USDT via Binance ID. A quick tip. Always monitor your transaction history in the app to track the status. Remember, crypto can be risky, so only send to trusted parties. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more guides, and hit the bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.